I suppose I've been doing this since I was about 4 years of age. When I'm communicating with others, I become aware of, because there isn't any separation when what you are, which love is to condense it down, just keep it simple, right? Simple, complex number space. So I realize when you get into imaginary numbers, or start using letters and numbers to describe what it is we experience by virtue of what we're experiencing from what we're learning, the speed at which we're learning. And so I realized that there's how we call a lot of different things as the alphabet soup, or a language of communicating with each other. Now we're back to silent running. I don't have to say a word, right? The letters and numbers, if you will. So I know when I was listening to Divine Born Angel talk about particle and all that, I keep this very simple. Okay? So I know the molecular mathematical relationship of fire and water. Just like that's fire. There is a spirit in that flame that loves to dance to music, the musical waves, a radio wave, radio. So we know that fire and water have a relationship with each other, which is 300 to 1. That's a mathematical relationship in order to experience perfect balance, right? So that we're breathing the right temperature, which is breathing tempo, thermal gradients. So this is how simple it is. When you think of fire and water, water is a solvent, SOLVENT. Sphere of light vent. It requires a vent, like a volcano. A pressure relief valve. That's what a vent is. That's what a volcano is when it goes off, to deliver more lava flow. Lava to be love. The love of molten voltage. The love of water, the love of fire. So fire and water have a mathematical relationship with each other, which is perfect atmospheric balance. So there is a function for a volcano, which is mathematical, to release the pressure. Yeah. Pressure relief valves. Right? Cool the engine. Keeping the engine cool. Just like a processor. Just like when you open up a desktop PC. Right there where the microprocessor is, like a micro-orbital spin of a star, an eternal sun. You need a cooling fan. Shh. Hey, I got to cool myself down. So we know what steam conversion is with water. The echoes of rain. Yeah, fire vapor. Ita or Chalet means fire and ice. Join as one, to experience being one, which is equal unto all the other ones, which is equal unto all the other selves we're giving love to. Experiencing pure, eternal, absolute love. Love of fire, love of water, love of ice. Ice crystals. The crystal structure. The perfect structural engineering integrity of spiritual system designs. The design, the grand creator spirit, born out of the first sun. All my sons, Muave.